The SC is a steel column radiator. It's a really beautiful product. The SC is mostly used in front of glazing because the spacing of the columns allows a lot of light to get through and it doesn't block the views. It's easy to clean. There's no hidden spaces, so you can get inside and clean it quite easily. Therefore, it's quite often used in hospitals, schools, and public buildings. The SC is really special in terms of the manufacturing because most of it's still done by hand. The SC is highly customizable, so you can have almost any range of dimensions, and you can even customize the spacing between the columns. You can integrate the piping into the support feet or into the columns, so you can basically integrate it into the environment. The SC has many options in terms of making it angled, curved, and the way that it's mounted onto the wall or onto the floor. Because the SC is so customizable and it's actually handmade, every radiator is unique.